Truth gang, it's your girl Momma Omgea, and I'm always bringing that truth. This video is the magic of salt. First, we're going to speak about sea salt and table salt, which is this here and that here, and overall salt in general. So you can use salt for protection, cleansing, grounding, earth and sea spells, consecration, circle casting, abundance, manifestation, and anchoring spiritual energies, connection to the sea and to the earth. Rock salt contains trace amounts of other minerals such as gypsum, which is selenite, and it is also associated with the moon. Minerals connected to the moon like salt and selenite support personal growth, bless the home, and help individuals spiritually harness the cycles of the moon. Salt is also used for devotion, spiritual development, and an alchemical return to wholeness, hospitality, housewarming, and domestic harmony. The sharing of salt became a symbol of hospitality, friendship, and mutual respect between guest and host. Those who shared salt together should not harm one another. Salt is associated with peace, domestic harmony, and the sanctity of a shared table, purification, spiritual protection, and releasing unwanted influences. Salt can also give insights on life, death, and spiritual rebirth. It has metaphorical associations with life and death. Water often represents spirit, and because salt dissolves in water, it later rebirths as new crystals. Salt symbolizes both the body and its rebirth, resurrection, and immortality. Salt water is used to return people, places, and objects to energetic wholeness. Just as it dissolves in the water, it can later recrystallize. You also want to use salt for aiding your intuition, balancing the emotions, and altered states of dreaming. All right, it's traditionally used for physical well-being, vitality, and longevity. Now we're going to speak about pink Himalayan sea salt. All right, so pink Himalayan sea salt, the common healing properties of Himalayan sea salt: removes psychic debris from your energetic body. It assists you in realizing that which no longer serves you, promotes general cleansing and purification, enhances feelings of peace and calming, increases feelings of happiness, encourages rest and relaxation, used in self-love and self-work, spell work, and use protection of love spells. The colors that pink Himalayan sea salt can come in is going to be a pale pink to a deep orange, almost red. It is associated with all chakras. The zodiac signs are Aquarius, Cancer, Leo, and Scorpio. The elemental is the earth and the fire. The companion flowers with pink Himalayan sea salt is the falling star. The essential oil that you can pair this with is the BaylaOra essential oil. The gemstone that aligns with this is the blue hemorrhophite. The common origins of pink Himalayan sea salt is the mountain region of Pakistan and the Himalayan mountains. All right, and you can use this at any chakra system for cleansing and purification, for peace, for calming, for aging healthy, for promoting goodwill and thyroid support. So if you put this in a little bag and carry it on you, it will support your thyroids if you have issues with that. Pink Himalayan sea salt combines the energies of the sun, the earth, the stars, and the primordial sea. Next, we're going to speak about Epsom salt. This is going to be one of the salts that you do not eat. It is not edible. The body is going to take the salt in through some type of spiritual bath. And this is usually the base mineral for spiritual cleansing baths, for cleansing the body and the auric field through the spiritual bath process. Ashe, ashe, ashe. So I'm going to give a free bath. You guys can pause the video here, and you guys can take that and write it down, or you guys can do whatever you're going to do to get this information. So this is a Epsom salt spiritual bath to help overcome grief. You will need 2 cups of Epsom salt, 1 cup baking soda, 4 drops of chamomile essential oil, 4 drops of sandalwood essential oils, 1 cup of dried chamomile flowers, and 1 cup of fresh sliced citrus fruit, lemon, lime, or orange. And this does not have to be used if you have just lost a loved one. This can be used for any situation that causes you grief. And last but not least, we are going to speak on violet sea salt. This is one of the least common sea salts that you're going to be able to find out today. This is a very special one. You can use this to align your crown chakra. This is going to enhance your spiritual wisdom and guidance. This is going to strengthen your spiritual connection to the divine. It's going to allow one a better understanding of the connection of all living things. And this is also going to help bring you into a deeper gratitude for your life. Ashe, ashe, ashe. All right, and when you're using violet sea salt, you're going to be using the color magic. And you want to use this in a bath under a full moon to heal the mind, body, and spirit. This is going to give you more insight during your meditation and help you to divine channel information from other realms and realities. And just vibrationally, the color violet is going to represent spiritual communication with spirit. This is going to inspire the activation of all of your spiritual wisdom within. Is going to awaken the subconscious and allow for more blessings to be received in your daily waking life when you're awake. All right, this beautiful sea salt here. I do have some of this in stock, though I have not decided whether or not I want to sell it or use it for myself, but we'll see. Ashe. All right, so the magic of the violet sea salt is going to carry the spiritual journey, the spiritual intuition, and spiritual illumination. This is going to activate your inner visions and make your rituals more intense. And it also can be promoted by the use of this salt when you're sprinkling it around your sacred space in a circle. So casting a spiritual circle with the violet sea salt. All right. And it's going to be very, very, very powerful. And then you can also make a water mixture to consecrate your tools and your spiritual cleansing tools, and also use this for purification purposes. So if you were going to make like a holy salt water or a holy water with this, you would use it and then you would sprinkle, you would dip your hand into it and you would walk around and you would consecrate your space by just flicking it off of your fingers. So that is the magic of salt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, a comment, a like, subscribe, a share, or something. Please hit your notification bell, and it will be greatly appreciated. Join Truthgang over here with Mama Omega. And if you guys would like to leave a donation of any kind, you can do so at $ASHAISreal. Everything is capital but the real, or Venmo over there, which is at BaylaOra-Isreal. I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. Truthgang gang, I'm out, and I will see you guys soon.